Ever wanted to change the color of clothes in a photo, but lacked the editing skills? Worry no more. In this video, we'll show you a cool trick using Canva Pro to achieve just that. It's surprisingly easy and fun, so grab your laptop and let's get started. Remember to subscribe for more creative tips and tricks like this one. We release new content regularly, so you won't want to miss out. Changing clothes colors in Canva. First, head over to Canva and create a new design, choosing your preferred size. You can either select an image from their library or upload one from your own device. For this example, we'll use an image from Google. Simply drag it onto the canvas to upload it. Click on the image to reveal the Edit Photo button. From there, select Background Remover. Choose the Erase option and carefully remove everything except the clothes you want to color. Remember, precision is key here. Once you're satisfied with your background removal, drag the original image onto the canvas again. Position it on top of the edited version, completely covering it. Now, click on the top layer and choose Edit Photo again. Select the Duotone option and choose your desired color for the clothes. Voila! Your previously plain garment is now transformed. Don't let the fun stop there. Experiment with different colors and try this trick with your friends and family. Show them your newfound design skills and impress them with this magical color change. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more creative inspiration and follow us on social media for exclusive content. We can't wait to see your colorful creations. Gemini pute afficher des informations inexactes, y compris sur des persons. Vérifiez donc ces réponses. La confidentialité de vos données dans